Alright, hello everyone. So this video will quickly go over for you the requirements for your virtual desktop stores advertisement that you will be creating for your product. So you came up with your product idea and now you need to advertisement for your virtual classmates and try to sell it to them. So you are going to incorporate advertising techniques to persuade them to buy your product. So at the top of this assignment, you will see the advertising techniques overview that you can incorporate within your own advertisement that you will create. So an example would be a bandwagon. So what it says is that everybody is using this product. So for example, like all the cool people are going to have this product and I don't want you to be left out. So you can choose a couple of those advertising techniques that you would like to put in. Below you will also find the most persuasive used words that are used in advertising. So certainly be selective in what you would like to incorporate in your advertisement. You must also come up with a slogan for your product. So talk with each other, talk with your parents, find out what kind of slogans catch their ears, their eyes, their hearts. And remember that a slogan is a short and striking or memorable phrase used in advertising. So some of the examples are Walmart, save money, live better. Nike, just do it. Coca-Cola, open happiness. So think of something that you can incorporate for your product. And now here are the requirements and the rubric for your virtual desktop stores ad. So for the magazine, and again, you're going to be doing this digitally, so make sure it covers one page, it's full color, its text is typewritten. If you are handwriting it and going to upload a photo of it, that is certainly okay. Just make sure that you write very neatly and that you include a picture of the product. You come up with a slogan. And then it's one ad per store. Remember, per store means like this is just your one-stop shop. And then again, pretend that we were all in a classroom. Where would we be? You can say, check me out in the back of the room or in C108. So this will be due in May. This is the rubric. So you represent your product well. It's typed or handwritten neatly. It's grammatically correct. It includes a picture and location of the product. The format mimics a real magazine ad and is full of color, so color printed or color drawn. You can upload your own photos that you create, your own drawings. Ad shows the product slogan, and then it's on that one piece of paper. So again, and this is just extra rubrics. So if you have questions, please make sure you reach out, but otherwise have fun creating your advertisement.